In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a page section and add or select a text block. To get started, open the page section you want to work on and locate the text area that contains your primary headline. If the section already has a text element in place, simply click into that text block so you can edit it. If your headline has not been added yet, insert a text block into the section first, then type or paste in your main headline. The goal here is to make sure the most important heading on the page is clearly identified and easy to format correctly. Once your headline is in the text block, highlight the primary headline text only. Be careful to select just the headline itself and not any extra paragraph text before or after it. This matters because you want the formatting change to apply only to the main heading, not to any supporting copy in the same section. Taking a moment to confirm your selection will help avoid layout inconsistencies and keep the page structured properly. Next, look for the text formatting drop-down menu in the editor. In many builders, this drop-down may currently say paragraph by default, which means the text is being treated as regular body content instead of a page heading. Click that drop-down and change the format from paragraph to heading 1, or H1. As soon as you apply that change, the text may update visually, often becoming larger or more prominent depending on the page style settings. That's completely normal, since H1 formatting is designed to signal the main topic of the page. After that, take a moment to verify that there is only one H1 tag on the entire page. This is an important best practice for both structure and search visibility. Your H1 should represent the page's main topic and include your primary target keywords naturally. If multiple headings are set to H1, it can dilute the page hierarchy and make it less clear which subject is most important. If you find another H1 elsewhere on the page, that heading should usually be changed to a lower level heading such as H2 or H3, depending on its role in the content hierarchy. Before finishing, do one final check to confirm your main headline is accurate, clearly written, and formatted as the single H1 for that page. A clean heading structure helps users understand the content quickly and also supports better organization behind the scenes. That's it. Your page section is now updated and your primary headline is correctly set as